At RIMAN, we believe your skincare ritual should be as natural and sacred as the skin you're in. Our Radiansome 100 line boasts 100% microfluidized nanoliposomal formulas that deliver natural ingredients and patented vitamin complexes to the layers that need it most. With completely liposomal formulas, every ingredient is enhanced to better absorb into the skin, enhancing efficacy through targeted dermal performance. Experience our advanced Radiansome 100 ritual. Active cleanup powder. Gently cleanse and exfoliate for smooth, clear skin. Radiansome 100 Microfluidizer Toner. Moisturize and infuse skin with vitamins and nutrients for maximum absorption. Radiansome 100 Microfluidizer Ampule. Promote skin vitality and radiance in just a few drops. Radiansome 100 Microfluidizer Cream. Keep skin plump, moisturized, and glowing. Biotin Oil Mist. Prep the skin with hydration and nutrifying essential oils. Embrace your RIMAN ritual and experience the difference. A difference you'll love.